Rare, that's it? Just a rare? You stack, new kid. Okay, you're a little bit lucky. Just a rare. Better luck next time. A rare card, that's okay, I guess. Whoa, nice rare. Epic? I mean, it's no legendary. Rare, that's a start. Yes, epic. So epic. Mom, new kid's cheating. Who assigns these rarities? You definitely don't deserve an epic, damn it. You sure got a lot of rares. Epic, like that time I kicked Cal's ass. Rare cards can be really helpful. Nice, a rare. Huh, a rare. Kinda sweet. That is epic. Rare is good. Epic, like that time I kicked Cal's ass. Rare, like how often Kenny showers. Epics are pretty sweet, am I right? I thought it was an epic, but it's only a rare. Sorry. A rare. You're such a loser.